So myself is Frige, associated with Fabcars. We are into the corporate segment of vehicles, renting out to the corporate employees or the directors. And Sanjeevji, last time you had given me a task for one page planner. So that is something which we have done. And if you insist, then I can just show you and you can provide me your comments on that. This is something which I've started learning from you, the started me. So this is something which it's working very nicely for me.
This is a free
Yeah.
tool. Everyone should
But
have this.
yeah, that is really good because at one click, everything it's just on the desk. We don't have to go to D drive and then you go to the links and all those things is not there. All the link is onto the Start Me and you just start working on it.
Right.
So all the links for CEOITBOX, also everything I put on that only. So if you see all my workings are here, all the payments that I wish to do, everything is here.
You are showing us the one-page plan?
Yes, sir. Here it is. This is the one-page plan.
Okay, very good, excellent. जैसे अनिल जी ने कहा कि इन्होंने बस कुछ ही वर्ड्स में लिखा है, शॉर्ट लिखा है, that makes it very easy to understand.
That's Mehul Patodia ji. The director, he himself has made it. This was the major task for this week.
Excellent, excellent. Very good, very well done. मेरी तरफ से मेहुल जी को congratulate कीजिएगा guys.
Yeah, sure.
You guys think? तो बहुत ही amazing. Very well done.